Hi, welcome to Curry TV. Today we are going to make Sambarita.
Sambarita. Okay. It's a, Cinco de Mayo special. So we like to improvise our own.
Yeah, our own.
This is your own creation?
Yeah, this is my own creation. It's have a margarita that have a Indian touch to it. So
Okay,
we'll actually get into the ingredients and see how this actually turn out.
Okay. All right. Let's take a look at all the ingredients that we'll be using for this, right?
Sure. We have margarita mix. We use this kind of margarita mix. This have a very good lemony touch to it. And good tequila. Here we use Petron. Yeah, I usually go with Aniho Petron. Then we have Condro. So if you don't have Condro, you can also use triple sec. And then of course you actually need 2 glasses, margarita glasses, cup to mix, and the other secret ingredients, 2 secret ingredients. This is chili powder, and this is sambar powder.
That's homemade sambar powder. So we have double purpose for our sambar powder in this household, and we also be using
ice cubes, and margarita salt.
Okay.
So let's
Can I ask you something?
Yes, sure.
What's the difference between Patron and the Contro?
Petron is a tequila.
The alcohol content.
Yeah, alcohol content. This has a orangey taste to it.
Licorice?
Liquor. This
Okay.
is a liquor.
Okay.
This has alcohol. This is like 40% alcohol in it.
Wow.
Too, but it has a orangey taste to it. So
Tangy taste to it.
exactly, right. So let's take a look at how we make this Indian version.
Lime.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, we also need a lime. Thank you. I'm not used to this.
It's
Jeez.
easier to judge and give comments when you're behind the camera. And once you're in front of the camera, then you see the pressure.
Yes, I do. Okay, let's take a look at how we can make this and make this wonderful Indian version of the margarita.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So let's take 3 parts of Petron. Actually 3 ounces of Petron. And to this 3 ounce you add 5 parts of margarita mix.
Do we need to shake it?
It's already shaken, but I shake it well and kept it here. So to this we are actually adding half ounce of Contro.
Does it smell funny? Can I smell it? Not that bad.
Yeah. And then this margarita mix have a little bit of lemony touch to it. So lime touch to it. So I only add half of it, or else you can add a little bit more.
Okay. So
Lemon.
this is lime. You're not using lemon. Does it make a difference?
Yeah, lemon and lime is different in taste wise. We use the lime, and I take half of a lemon, so it's
half of a lime.
Half of a lime. That actually makes half ounce. I just do it directly.
He's just winging it.
Yeah, it's when you measure it, it's half ounce. Don't throw it away. So let's keep this aside. Let's work on the other piece of it. Okay. So let's make so to get the rim salt, we are actually making a special kind of rim salt. So that's with the margarita salt. Use 2 spoons of margarita salt.
Wow. That's a lot of salt.
We are just rimming out, and maybe like a pinch of
Chili powder.
chili powder, and then you just mix it to make a chili.
I can hear him
Yeah.
mouth watering. Okay.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
We are not trying to promote anybody to become drinkers or alcoholic. We are just showing this for the sake of the Cinco de Mayo. We are living here in Portland, Oregon. It's a big festival that we usually go for. It's the May 5th. That's why Cinco means 5. De Mayo means the month of May. So as in result of that, we like to celebrate along with our friends here. There are friends from Mexico, so we like to celebrate this along with them. And when we go for these events, this is one of margaritas are one of the top things that they have at a party, especially for the Cinco de Mayo. And they have salsas, they have lots of different varieties. So we try to improvise our taste for you guys. All right, so there's nothing official about this. So without further ado,
Yes.
over to the chef.
So we are actually going to introduce our main ingredient here. That's the sambar powder. So you actually use a pinch of sambar powder. You don't go for more.
Because this is homemade sambar powder, and I made it extra spicy. So therefore, he already has a good portion of chili powder in there. So I think it's going to be a nice kick in the night.
So don't throw away the half of the lime which you use. You actually rim it with that.
Can I do this?
Yeah,
Can I do that?
okay, you can do that. Yes, she don't like the salt rimming, so usually go with half. So if you want to go with half and half,
Oh, no.
then
Is this half enough for you?
yeah, that should be good.
Does it have a special taste to this margarita salt?
Yeah, it's not a normal salt. It's a little bit different. It gets a more
sourness?
not sourness, but it's a little bit different salt.
Okay.
Okay, so now we put at least 6 or 7 ice cubes, and then use the shaker and then shake the dough. Okay, so let's soften it. Okay, so it looks very good. So let's pour in and see how this looks like. You can take the rest of the lime to do a lemon wedge. Here, we are ready to go.
Very,
right?
very look.
Let's taste it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Does it taste?
I thought it was going to be too sour, but no. I like it. That sambar powder does have a kick. That's nice.
Please try it.
So
And
definitely try this out. And we'll see you next
time.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
കണ്ണില് നരക്ക് നീര് പോയി
അത് കുഴപ്പമില്ല
വേണ്ട